In the United States, a powerful late-season snowstorm swept across Colorado and Wyoming, dumping heavy snow across the Rocky Mountains and high plains, shutting schools, disrupting flights and turning roads dangerous in what could become Denver City's biggest snowfall of the season. The spring storm moved across the region from Tuesday into Wednesday, bringing heavy wet snow, freezing temperatures and strong winds to parts of Colorado and southeastern Wyoming. North of Denver, snow-blanketed towns including Fort Collins, Castle Pines and Boulder, where forecasters warned some higher elevations could receive up to 2 feet of snow now. In Denver, rain gradually turned to snow by Tuesday evening, with the city's international airport recording nearly 6 inches of accumulation along with flight delays and cancellations. The storm arrived after what meteorologists described as Denver's driest winter on record, with unusually low snowfall throughout the season. Authorities warned that the heavy moisture-laden snow could snap tree branches and trigger power outages. The severe weather forced Denver public schools, including the state's largest school district, to cancel Wednesday classes. Road conditions also deteriorated across other parts of Colorado, with commuters facing slick highways and slushy streets. State patrol officials reported multiple crashes, though no serious injuries were immediately confirmed, and despite the disruption, some residents welcomed the snowfall after months of dry weather and drought concerns. Denver had recently imposed lawn watering restrictions due to low mountain snowpack and below average precipitation. Forecasters said the storm would gradually weaken, with warmer conditions expected to return by the weekend and temperatures climbing back into the mid-70s Fahrenheit.